Now this is the corridor right when you've gotten into the apartment. And then, yes, that's me. So I'm gonna take you first to the living room area. No, actually, let's look at the first bathroom. So it's like a powder room for guests that come in case you have guests over. And that is the powder room. Beautiful space, just a toilet and a mirror with some very beautiful sink. I love the marble on the sink, by the way. So it's a very nice small space. And then from there, we go straight into the living room area. So there's that small desk there where you can do your work. And then a beautiful dining set. Oh, very nice. Then you also have the living room area itself. The couch is extremely comfortable. Yo, amazing. And a huge TV screen. Anyway, so that's the space. Now, my favorite part about this apartment, and take note by the way, this is a hotel, that the view at the balcony is amazing, just really great. So when you move out, you have the whole town, city of Dubai, like, okay, one side of the city of Dubai that you can see on the balcony. Amazing view, and oh, the sunset as well that you can see is also really, really good. So my favorite part about this balcony is it's like I'm gonna call it a 180 balcony space. So you can walk around to the other side of the balcony, and you're able to see the famous Sheikh Zayed Road. So the famous Dubai Sheikh Zayed Road. Oh, yo, and all the big, skyscrapers and stuff are right there. It's such a beautiful view as well. See that? Can you believe that that is a hotel? Holy, okay. Anyway, so that is the balcony. And again, that's the beautiful dining set. So from there, you see the corridor that takes you to the bedrooms. It's a 2-bedroomed house. But before you get to the bedrooms, you have that section here, which has the laundry set. That is the laundry, the washing machine and the dryer. Everything you need for your laundry is right in there. And then we have the second bathroom. This one is now like the guest bathroom, if I can call it that. Inside we have a very nice, the sink. I love the marble on the sink. It's just amazing. God heavens. Anyway, so this is the beautiful bathroom. It has its own bathtub. It has its own toilet and everything. So it's a full bathroom for the guests. And that is one of the bathrooms. Now, in we go to the room. Now this is the other room, one of the bedrooms. Really big on the TVs. These guys are so up for entertainment, y'all. Your comfort and entertainment. There's a huge TV like in every room you get into. Anyway, so yeah, there are two, and then they also have like a very nice, view when you walk up to the other side of the bedroom. So remember the balcony half that we were looking at, the one that faces the Sheikh Zayed Road? Yeah, so this is one of the halves of that balcony where you can also still see the beautiful sunset. And then, it's not the greatest of views, but it's still beautiful to have. So, yeah. Then the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, guys. It's huge. The bedroom is amazingly big. There's a lot of space. And of course, as usual, they have all these things set in for you to be comfortable. A study table, a huge screen. Oh, I love entertainment. So you know where I was all the time when I'm not doing what I was there to do anyway. And then these beautiful mirrors. I enjoyed these mirrors. Let's just say that. So in we go to the master bedroom bathroom that yours truly took over. So it's kind of similar to the other bathroom, but then in the master bedroom, which same kind of things, the beautiful marble, the very huge and wonderful mirror that I enjoyed using, and every other thing like the other bathroom. what do they call that small thing? It's like a kitty bathtub or something. So my favorite part of the apartment was the walk-in wardrobe in the master bedroom. Yo, so it's a beautiful space. You literally can walk in there and just do whatever you want. It's very big. It has all these compartments for your stuff where you can put your things. Sorry, it's littered. And then we have the kitchen. Oh, you guys, you have to remember that this is a freaking hotel. It's not like, you know, it's a hotel. Anyway, so here's the kitchen area. We have a washing machine, like a dishwasher. Yeah, that's what they call it, dishwasher. I am done with this. Anyway, so we have that, and then so many compartments, yo. You can literally stack away stuff and have your space in the kitchen without having to worry. So we got some groceries because we were making our own food, especially the dinner. You have the cutlery there and utensils that you need. Everything is in place. But then the thing that I loved, and I was like, why is it even here? State of the art stove, y'all. Can you see that? So generally you have no complaints. You could stay in this place for like, I don't know how long, if you had the money anyway. But everything was in place. Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, and then there's that other half again of the balcony that you can see the view outside. You have a small dining area in the kitchen. So yeah, basically that was it. Oh, afternoon chill time, guys. What do you think? A rooftop swimming and everything going on. Dubai, Dubai. I just love how the sun is giving me very nice vibes.
It was supposed to be a special. Want to say anything? All that.
This woman is my destiny. Says ooh. She says, "Run up and dance with me."